Good morning, students. Welcome in computer class of 8th standard, and we are doing chapter number 1, operating system and graphical user interface, role and functions. So everyone open your computer books, page number 9. In our previous class we have done need for an operating system and features functions of an operating system. So students, today we will discuss different types of an operating system. There are many types of an operating system. Number 1 is single user operating system, multi-user operating system, multiprocessor operating system, multitasking operating system, multi-threading operating system, real-time operating system, and distributed operating system. So start with the first operating system, single user operating system. Single user operating system was the initial version of the operating system that allowed only one user to work with the computer at a time. Like you can see in this picture, here is only one user and that user is using a single computer at a time. So the most popular single user operating systems are Microsoft DOS, Microsoft Windows 3.1, Microsoft Windows 95. But due to their limited features, they are no longer in use nowadays. Next operating system is multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system allows more than one user to use the same computer at the same time or at the different times. Like you can see in this picture, there are multiple users, means more than one users, and they are using a single processor, means they are using a single operating system. So multi-user means in which more than one user to use the same computer at the same time or at the different times. Some examples of multi-user operating system are Windows 2000, Windows Vista, Unix, Windows 7 and Linux. Next operating system is multiprocessor operating system. A multiprocessor system consists of several processors that share a common memory. Like you can see in this picture, there are number of processors and they are sharing a single memory. So this is a multiprocessor operating system. Execution of several tasks by different processors at the same time increases the system's performance. So multiprocessor operating system provide higher computing power. Next operating system is multitasking operating system. The ability to perform more than one task together at one time is called multitasking. An operating system which is capable of doing multiple tasks or processes while using only one CPU is called multitasking operating system. Like you can see in this picture, a user is working in Microsoft Word. Side by side, he is doing calculation using calculator, and also he is using internet using web browser. But at the same time, he is using only a single CPU. So this is a multitasking operating system. Some examples of multitasking operating system are Windows 7, Windows 8, Unix, Windows 10 and Linux. Next operating system is multi-threading operating system. These operating systems allow different parts of a software program to run simultaneously. Simultaneously means at the same time. Let's take an example of your music player. There are multiple tasks that done simultaneously within a software. Like when you are listening your song, side by side music player is showing lists of tracks available in your device and also displaying ads in a music player, and you can delete the song also. So this is a multi-threading. You can do multiple tasks in a single software. So these operating systems allow different parts of a software program to run simultaneously. Next operating system is real-time operating system. Real-time operating system is designed to handle real-life scenarios and problems. Real-time operating system is used when the time span required to react to an rigid and time-bound. For example, air traffic control, robots, and weapon system. There are two types of real-time operating system. Number 1, hard real-time systems. Number 2, soft real-time systems. The first type is hard real-time systems. These systems guarantee that critical tasks are completed in a time. Let's take an example of defense system. If a country is going to launch a missile to another country, so the missile should reach the destination at 4 a.m. to touch the ground, and this time is a fixed time. So the missile is launched at a correct time. After launching, the missile reached the destination ground by 4:05 a.m. because of poor system performance. So the destination is changed from one place to another place or even to another country. So in a hard real-time operating system should meet the deadline. Next type is soft real-time systems. These systems are less restrictive. For example, weather stations have many sensors for reading temperature, humidity, wind, speed, etc. The reading should be taken and transmitted at regular interval. But sometimes sensors are not synchronized, means they are not showing the same time. So sensors reading may be early or late, and after some times sensors will give proper updation. So in soft real-time operating system, the meeting of deadline is not compulsory for every time for every task. Some examples of soft real-time systems are undersea exploration, planetary rovers, and virtual reality. Next operating system is distributed operating system. Distributed operating system runs on a set of computers that are located in different geographical areas. Like these all are the computers, and they are interconnected by a network, and this is a network. It controls these interconnected systems and makes them appear as a single computer. It allows all the linked machines to access data and software. So this is all about of today's class. Here you have learned different types of an operating system. So students, read this chapter properly. Thank you.